right, we're going to start the overview for today's module. Before we do that, please note that everything for Chapter 4 was due Friday, November 6th. So I've pulled the grades from Math Excel. I'm in the process of computing those and then putting them into PowerSchool. So anything that you do in Math Excel now, you must Canvas message me and tell me that you have completed it so that I can update your grade. Math Excel does not send a message to me when you do work after the due date. So I have no way of knowing, because I'm not going to go back every day and check, that you've completed something past the due date unless you tell me. Now, if you tell me, I have no problem going back and then adjusting your grade, but you need to make sure that you are the one taking care of that. Okay? Now, let's start to talk about Chapter 5. And Chapter 5, you might want to go back and you have somewhere, when you picked up the Quarter 1 booklet, you also picked up the Quarter 2 booklet. So you have that, and today starts Chapter 5, which is the Quarter 2 booklet. Chapter 5 is a big chapter in the sense that it's a lot of graphing, and so that's why you definitely want to have that with you so that you're not just trying to sketch thing on regular paper. There's a lot of coordinate planes in there that you'll want to utilize. In addition to that, just for today, I don't usually have you do this, but you might want to print out this handout for the slope modules. I thought it might be good to go back and do some review first before we jump right into the Quarter 5 booklet. Okay. Today you are watching 3 different videos that are kind of beginning stages of slope. So those 3 videos are right here: video slope 1, slope 2, and slope 3. And then what you will see is that you will have Canvas quizzes that are assignments that go along with those videos. So like the first video is counting by slope, and there's your assignment. The second video is counting or is finding the slope by formula, and there's your assignment. And then the third video is writing things in slope-intercept form, solving for y, and there is your assignment. Please note that those 3 things are Canvas quizzes. Those are not Math Excel. Okay. You are then going to go to your Quarter 4 booklet and watch the first page. It's actually, the video notes are really the first page and a half, page and 3/4. So start on page 1, and then you're going to go into Math Excel and complete the Math Excel assignment. So that assignment in there, and you can see that it's labeled that this one is indeed Math Excel. Okay. Please note that there are Zoom sessions every day this week. Every day other than today, because you're just getting this assignment today. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Zoom sessions every day at noon. So please make sure that you are completing your work and that you're checking in. I know we'll have further lessons later on this week, but I wanted to get those Zoom sessions on your calendar so that you know that they are available if you need them. All right, Canvas message me if you have any questions. I hope you have a great day and happy Monday.